Come test drive the 2015 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power tailgate, Harman Kardon sound system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.